Alright, here's another little sketchbook here that was unbooked from very long ago. I was just talking about this morning how I need to get back to drawing just for the sake of drawing stuff. Got some Nintendo stuff, some odds and ends. Definitely not going to make it through all of this here in this first video, but I'll break this into a few parts because this is probably going to be too much of just one video. Got some Nintendo stuff here from many moons ago. Maybe start of course, that Comic Express sketch club or something, maybe. Again, these are all from like Nintendo Power, and I wish I shouldn't have butchered the magazines up like that because they're probably worth some type of money today. Actually, I guarantee they're worth some money today. Oh, baby Mario, huh? Yeah, these are from mostly about 20 years ago. Some aren't done actually, but yeah, I need to kind of just get back into drawing stuff just to draw stuff. We got Scuba Astronaut Mario. I don't even know what game this is actually from. I want to say it's from maybe Game Boy. Never had a Game Boy. But Birdo's definitely from Mario too. So Nintendo Power Volume 61 is where that came from. I must have just not have cut some of them out or something, or maybe a friend had these that I just drew out of. Not exactly sure. Special feature. Game Boy. Yeah, again, wish I wouldn't have just butchered all them magazines up like that. But you'll have that. Yeah, it's 20 years ago and I ain't looking back at it now. Still good art. Need to get back to drawing just to draw. Everything's been about these comics over the last 10 or 15 years. It's been all production. All production. Comics, comics, comics. Not just sketching just to sketch. A little boot. And again, I think this is probably from the Mario 3 handbook or strategy guide or whatever. 2001, that's ancient history now. I figured, maybe I got a couple hits off of my sketchbooks last month. I figure maybe I'll jump into some more throwback stuff and stuff that I never thought I'd be sitting here making videos of 20 years later. But hey, when you got a stack of old drawings and a new camera phone or whatever, hey. Here's some Woodpecker, huh? Got the Flash. We got here Atom Man, which I would assume is different than the Atom, because he definitely does not look like him. Elongated Man. You got Krang here. You can't really see Krang too great, but got some Krang. Krang here. Krang. Got the Ninja Turtles logo with a Ninja Turtle card from 1988, 89 maybe, something like that. Mortal Kombat. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? We just started watching Sesame Street from the first episode on HBO Go just last night. Awesome stuff. Made me want to cry. Oh, the time long gone. 2001. Got some Grinch. Got some baseball logos. That's old school. Got the Dodgers. We got on the card here. Lenny Harris, huh? No wonder he's taped to a sketch. Where's we got here? Paul Molitor. I shouldn't have taped him. That's a notable guy there. You got some starting lineup. Jose Canseco. We got here Todd Stottlemyre. So we got the Mets here. Got some Gary Templeton. The other Mets logo from the Panini sticker album. Some of you might know that. I don't know. I'd like to think that most of you subscribed here are around my same age that would actually recognize the 1987 Topps card. Maybe, huh? I got both the White Sox logos. Yeah, that's a classic. The old school, huh? I got the Indians logo they don't even use anymore. So Padres, that McGruff the crime dog. You got some LA, more Dodger stuff. And maybe next video we'll get into the Tiny Toons and stuff. Thank you.